In today's video, we are going to show you how to add reviews on Trustpilot. Whether you're sharing your experience as a customer or helping others make informed choices, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, first off, go to the Trustpilot website and create an account here. Now, on the top corner, you have the option to write a review. Okay? Just find the company to review. For example, we're going to be choosing Trustpilot. Click the company that you want to provide a review. Okay, so you need to rate your experience with a Trustpilot or the website that you wanted. So we're going to put it a 5 and then provide a detailed experience of what happened or how was the experience overall. Okay, and then you can also give your review a title if you want, and then the date of experience. It's up to you. For example, you could choose a different date, but for now we're gonna use this by default. And here, click the submit a review. It's super simple. All right, and of course your review is pending upon approval. Now there's gonna be a small window that will appear and you need to choose all these. For example, let's say choose the first option, click the next button. Okay, I'm gonna choose the highest, which is gonna be 10. Okay, and then of course provide as much as information as you can, and you can be honest about it. All right, and basically that's how you provide and submit reviews in Trustpilot. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.